Hi guys, so we just got to the flower park and Boo is trying to get our tickets. Yeah, it's really beautiful. It's not dark yet, so we can't really see the lights now. We're just gonna have to wait till when it gets dark. So we're gonna take you guys along. Come with us, enjoy the view, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and yeah, thank you. That's him over there. Love you guys. Yeah guys, so this is the ticket. I finally got the tickets, just waiting to go in now, so come along with us.
It's me.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi guys.
Hello guys. So we are coming live from Ashikaga. Yeah, Ashikaga Flower Park.
Yeah guys.
It's a very, very big
Beautiful park.
It's a very
in
big,
Japan.
beautiful. Yeah. So it's like I actually don't know the size, but it's very, very huge.
Yeah.
So today we've come to see Illumination. Yeah. So we've just come to see Christmas lights. Beautiful Christmas lights.
Beautiful. It's not just Christmas light anyway.
It's general illumination, bro.
Just
And
illumination,
flowers
beautiful
and all,
lights
yeah.
and flowers.
Take a sneak peek at nature. So that's it. So we hope you guys
Enjoy today's video.
come with us and enjoy today's video. Thank you. Love you guys. Yeah. See you guys later. Chop chop. Bye.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, and when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun.
It's so beautiful. Yeah guys, so it's getting dark but not so dark yet. The lights are beginning to show better than before, and let's see how it goes. Like colors. Like, this place looks so beautiful. We took a lot of nice pictures here, and if you're following us on Instagram, you would see some of our pictures we took here. Like, it's really looking so nice now, and I love it.
No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, or when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. the sun. Close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, and I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young,
Finally, I caught you.
ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone,
I've been waiting to see this waterfall performance. Beautiful. Finally. Hi guys, so this is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you enjoyed the place we went to, and please like our video.